Hello and welcome to module 7.2, Sweets, Lead Magnets and Opt-in Bribes, how to make signing up to your newsletter irresistible. When it comes to building an email list, there are lots of ways you can start attracting people to subscribe. And most of the time you just need to ask or make it easy for people to join. More importantly, you need to understand that list building isn't just an activity to promote your business, it's a mindset. In this module, I'll be showing you the secrets to growing a highly targeted email list that helps you get more visitors to your website, more leads, and more sales in your business. So with that being said, let's dive in. In this module, you'll discover how to make signing up to your email list irresistible to your website visitors and your clients. The list building mindset you need to succeed with email marketing, that's very important, and that's one of the things we're going to be covering in this module. Now, according to a recent study from email marketing experts Blue Hornet, 7 out of 10 consumers sign up for emails because they want to get discounts, but less than 1 in 10 people sign up because they love the brand. When you're inviting people to sign up to your newsletter, it's not about you or your brand. The conversation with your potential subscribers needs to start with an offer of some kind. Either an offer for a discount code, a 2 for the price of 1, or something that's free. This is what's commonly known as an opt-in bribe or a lead magnet, or what I like to call sweets. Do sweets make your mouth water? Me too. But we're not talking about these kind of sweets. We're talking about what marketers call lead magnets. Sweets, or lead magnets as most marketers like to call them, are the free perks you'll offer the people who you're invited to subscribe to your newsletter. What you should offer really depends on your audience and what they'll respond to best. You'll know best based on what you've uncovered from the customer avatar exercise earlier on in the program. But in terms of the vehicle or medium, it could be anything as long as it's of value to the subscriber. When you offer the right sweets to the right audience, it makes the offer of signing up to your email irresistible. With a juicy offer, your conversions will be much higher and your email list will grow rapidly. It's sort of like attaching the right bait to the right fishing hook. Different fish respond to different bait. So let's look at the different types of flavors of sweets or lead magnets. You've got how-to guides. An example of a how-to guide is like a PDF guide that you can send to your email subscribers that helps them solve a problem. So for example, the 7 steps to branding yourself like a pro, that's a lead magnet. That's basically like a how-to guide. A cheat sheet, a checklist, a recipe guide, something like a daily email challenge with some end goal promised at the end, like a 7-day boot camp email challenge or something like that. A video series, something that's video-based training, so like a 3-part video series that helps your end customer fulfill some type of goal at the end. A webinar, a discount code, an ebook, templates, for example, content marketing plan, that could be like a good opt-in bribe, a toolkit or some sort of resource list, or a competition. So here's an example: 40% off any of our courses. Make sure you don't miss out on this one. The call to action says sign up today and you'll receive a special discount code right away. And then you've got the benefits there, so you get the access to 1,000+ courses, create projects and join discussions, and download video lessons to watch offline. So that seems like a pretty good deal. Imagine, think from the customer's point of view. That sounds like a pretty good deal. They're getting lots of value just for exchanging their email address. But the company that's offering this, they're getting a lead, so that's what they get out of it. But the customer who's going there is getting all that value for free. So why wouldn't they want to leave their email address? And that's one of the secrets of building a large email list. You have to offer something for free in order to entice people to sign up for your email list. Because people don't just don't generally want to sign up to emails. So you've got to make it worthwhile for them. So here's an example from Stitchcraft Create, a UK-based arts and crafts supplier. For people who want to buy materials to make gifts with, it's perfect. So if you look at the lead magnet they've got here, it's a free ebook which gives them ideas on 10 handmade Mother's Day presents, and that's a free download. Let's look at this one here. This is another example, different flavor though. This is an online webinar, so basically it's a free training program that they're going to deliver online. So let's look at a recipe for the perfect opt-in suite. So you want to look at a formula for creating something that's going to inspire your leads, your prospects, your potential customers to actually join your email newsletter. So if you want a super targeted email list, your suites need to have the following ingredients. So let's go through those ingredients. So the first one is a quick win for your customer. Your opt-in bribe should provide a quick win to your potential customer, and it should promise to solve one big problem or achieve one specific outcome or transformation that they can get as soon as they enter their email address. Relevance. Your offer should be highly relevant to the person seeing it. They're seeking you out for a reason, so show them something related to the reason they're seeking you out in the first place. Keep it focused on your area of expertise, a frequently asked question, or a specific result your audience wants to achieve. Let's talk about high perceived value. So just because it's free doesn't mean that it doesn't need to be valuable. A lot of opt-in bribes or lead magnets are actually gold when it comes to solving problems for potential customers. That's why people sign up for these things. So if your offer isn't a discount code or something that has a tangible monetary value, it has to look good enough and be good enough to place a monetary value on it. So really make your offer valuable and aim for a perceived value of around $100 or £100. The higher the perceived value of your offer, the more likely people will be to share their contact details with you to claim it. It needs to be digestible. Avoid long ebooks with hundreds of pages that take too long to read, or courses that take weeks to consume. People want to know that they will get immediate gratification or a quick solution to their problem right now. Keep the content punchy, short, and digestible. Again, that goes back to what we were saying before about providing your audience with a quick win. So it needs to be well designed with an attention-grabbing title. If you're offering something like a how-to guide, a free video series, checklist, or ebook, you've got to make sure the artwork is appealing and that it has an attention-grabbing title or headline, something that speaks directly to the audience you're trying to attract. The title is even more important than the content itself, because no matter how good the content is inside, if the headline doesn't grab attention, no one will opt in. This is where your copywriting skills will come into play. So for example, we could say, here are some examples of attention-grabbing headlines that you can use to make your opt-in bribe more desirable. So how to get, and you put a result in there in specific time period without fear or pain point. So how to get X in X time period without X fear or pain point. So how to get 500 leads in 30 days without spending money on advertising. Make sense? You could also say a number of ways to do something important. So 7 ways to get more leads online. Or you could say top 5 ways to get a desired result by doing X, Y, or Z. Now you can see numbers, the big promise, the timescales. Those help create titles that grab attention and pique interest. Play around with your titles and refer back to the copywriting modules to brush up on your copywriting for a winning title. Once you've got a winning title, you'll be able to create lead magnets that attract floods of new people to your email list consistently. Let's look at the list building mindset. So always be collecting. That should always be at the forefront of your mind when it comes to building your business. You should take every opportunity to grow your list that comes along. So place emphasis on collecting new email addresses every day for your business. Now, there's nothing sexy about a newsletter, so don't present it as one. There's so many newsletters out there. When you approach people to join your email list, it's not about joining the email list. It's about getting a result, some sort of transformation, or offering something that's going to be of great value to them. And the only barrier of entry is to join the email list. So it's not about selling the steak, it's about selling the sizzle that comes with the steak. Differentiate your newsletter from the masses by having a specific theme or topic. Think of your email subscribers not as leads, but as real people who are part of your tribe. Write your emails like you're writing a personal email to a good friend. Make your newsletter something to look forward to. Never make your lead magnet an automatic download. Instead, put a link to it inside your welcome email. That's really key, because what people do sometimes is that they sign up to your list just to get the free gift, and they may give you a fake email address. But if you put the free guide, the free PDF, or whichever it is that you're offering, if you put that inside your welcome email, they'll have to actually give you the real email address in order to confirm and get access to your free gift. So at least you get the lead that way. But don't make a habit of creating automatic downloads. That's what some people do. As soon as they enter the email address, it takes them to the page where they can download their free gift. Don't do it that way. Always make sure that you put the link inside your welcome email. So there you have it, the fundamentals of list building. These are very actionable tips that you can start implementing in your business today to start growing one of your most valuable assets, your email list. Hope you got a ton of value inside this module, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Bye for now.